Hands behind your back.
I can't.
Get on your stomach.
Oh!
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Hey, thrill seekers, welcome to Crime Chasers, where high-speed police chases and intense action come to life. Get ready for heart-racing pursuits, shocking getaways, and the most unbelievable moments caught on camera. If you crave the rush of the chase, you're in the right place. Buckle up. Let's hit the streets. On July 15th, 2024, Omro, Wisconsin. Omro, Wisconsin. July 15th, 2024. A Facebook Marketplace sale turned violent when a 65-year-old man was shot during an armed robbery. The suspects fled in a U-Haul truck, sparking a high-speed police chase on I-41. Despite tire deflation devices, the suspects kept driving on rims. A pit maneuver spun the truck, but the driver reversed into traffic. A K-9 deputy forced the U-Haul off the road, ending the chase. The suspects surrendered, and police recovered a loaded firearm. They now face multiple felony charges.
Losing his tires, he's gonna be westbound down Johnson. Say it's gonna hit.
Dispatch from Brandon Fairwater 678.
On November 2nd, 2024, Arkansas. While patrolling, I joined the pursuit of Andre T. Hunter driving a red Dodge Ram. He was driving recklessly, and I performed a tactical vehicle intervention, causing him to crash. After arresting him, he was found drinking beer and taken to the hospital. Charges: DUI, suspended license. No seatbelt, no insurance open container. Drinking on highway lane violation. Ignoring traffic signals, refused chemical test.
Anybody else close?
31's primary, Washington and Bedford. It's Arkansas, Tom X-ray, 81 Henry, Adam Tom X-ray, 81 Henry. One occupant, black male driver with dreads. Speeds at 37. Can you get behind me? I want to DVI.
TV out, TV out, TV out.
Hands! 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 Show me your hands! Don't rush that car! Don't rush that car! Don't rush it! Get back behind cover! Get behind cover! Get behind cover! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Crawl up here to me! Crawl up here to me! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Walk up here! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hey, yo, watch that car! Watch that car! Watch that car!
I got the car! I got the car!
Oh, my shoulder!
Car's clear! Car's clear!
Got blood.
Oh, my shoulder!
2114 City note on the log. He got out of the pickup truck after it rolled over drinking a beer.
What's going on, Dre?
Go stop for video.
1421, are y'all 1015?
10-4, 10-15, clear the net. Right, good job, bro.
On September 19th, 2024, Deputy Robert Henderson arrived at a home in Leone Township. On September 19th, 2024, Deputy Robert Henderson tried to arrest James Kerr on warrants in Leone Township. Kerr, on a lawnmower, ignored commands and drew a handgun. When tased, he shot himself in the hand. Kerr was arrested and taken to the hospital. He faces charges, including assault with intent to murder and resisting arrest. The Michigan State Police cleared the deputy of any wrongdoing.
Get up! Now! Stop! 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 Now! Stop! Now! Get off! Get off now! I'm getting off! Right now! Get off! Now! I'm getting off! Go off! Step off! Shut it off and step off now! I am! Calm Get off! Calm now! Down. You run, I'm gonna tase you, James. I'm gonna... Drop the gun! Send me another unit now. Shots fired. Suspect pulled the gun.
No,
He shot. Stand by. Suspect reached for a gun. Got tased. Round discharge from his gun. Start JCA'd another unit. Looks like he got shot in the hand.
On November 2nd, 2024, around 11:21 a.m., On November 2nd, 2024, I observed a black Cadillac speeding at 109 miles per hour on Interstate 40. The driver, Nicholas Bullock, led a high-speed chase, reaching 135 miles per hour and crossing into the median. After crashing on exit 5, he was arrested. Bullock claimed he was scared of a ticket. His vehicle was towed, and he was medically cleared before being booked.
Turn around in the median.
Turn around.
Alright, he's gonna try to go the wrong way in the median. It's a white male driver. I tried to TBI, I missed him. We're going back northbound on 430.
Northbound on 430.
You get on the camera.
He's probably gonna try to take shack, but that's what we try to do.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Stupid ass.
God damn it. I didn't even fucking. Yeah, damn it. I was just going fucking 100. Fuck!
Shut the fuck up.
God damn it! What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
Get up.
What is wrong with me? God damn it! God damn it! Fuck! What is wrong with me?
I'm good.
Okay. Fuck!
I'm 1015, one male, start at 1011. No, shut up.
Nice.
For what? Give me one good reason why you ran.
Because I was fucking scared, man.
I was gonna write you a speeding ticket, brother.
I was so scared. Oh, fuck!
How you gonna let that Tahoe catch you?
Oh,
Huh?
I'm so scared, man.
Stand up.
Sorry, that thing's so fucking slow.
What is? Huh?
I didn't even realize.
Get up. Get up. Come on, let's go. Come on. That glass is the last thing you can worry about.
Damn it, I'm gonna go for one.
Absolutely.
Fuck! I got my oil in this pocket.
Do you even have a driver's license?
Yeah.
Why run?
Gwinnett County, Georgia, on Saturday, March 23rd.
Half by wheel loader.
Okay, it's not like a tractor?
Yeah.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
No idea. No, we have no idea.
Stop. 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 Hey! Stop! I'm PPA radio. An individual who's driving a four-wheeler tractor is not stopping for me. I have no way of stopping this vehicle. He's gonna go out the main road.
Watch your dick, he's ready.
I can't control him.
Grab your machine. What is it? One of those things? How fast is it?
They can get up to probably about 30.
Okay, grab that. Quick.
Making a left.
Keep me updated. I've got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. It's a little bit slower, but he's behind us as well. But
Hey, radio, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
I left my yellow best friend.
I'll get 10-3 for the vehicle, Corley. 10 or Oprah.
10-3.
Circle, Brook Drive.
This is unbelievable.
It's wrong.
Keep him up! Hey! Flip it! Flip it! If you can flip it, flip it!
All units 1039. Number 1039 at 1207.
You what?
180.
Yeah, that's definitely good.
Port Orange, Florida, on July 5th, 2024.
Hands up! Hands up! Now! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up right now! Hands up! Don't move! Hey, hands up! Hands up!
Hey, we got ag bat on an officer.
Stick hit. Going south on Clyde.
We're going down Southport, or Southland Court, coming up to the dead end. He ran my car twice, Central, so just be advised for units.
Hey, he's spinning out in oncoming traffic.
Hands up! Stop! Get down! Get down! Get down! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! You should have ran!
Bring him up.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop! Get on the ground! Give me your hands!
Hold on. That was stupid. All right, hold up and sit in here.
Sit down!
All right, location to the VA Wellness Center, recovery parking lot.
Don't move!
On August 22nd, 2022, Benjamin Plank shot 2 deputies during an eviction attempt in Oklahoma City. Fleeing in a vehicle, he led police on a high-speed chase, firing at officers. After reaching Tinker Air Force Base, he surrendered. Plank faces first-degree murder charges for killing Sergeant Bobby Swartz.
At approximately 1:30 p.m., an Oklahoma City officer located the suspect driving east on Southwest 89th Street near Walker Avenue. Officers attempted to stop the suspect near Southeast 89th Street and Shields Boulevard. The suspect refused to stop for the officers, initiating a pursuit. At one point, the suspect stopped his vehicle at an angle next to a semi-truck, but then continued driving, eventually entering onto Interstate 35. As the suspect was on the northbound service road of Interstate 35, Sergeant Patton attempted to perform a TVI on the trailered boat of the suspect's vehicle. TVI stands for Tactical Vehicle Intervention and is a controlled contact maneuver to disable a fleeing suspect's vehicle.
Said that he had a gun in the car with him and shooting while driving, so he's armed.
The TVI was unsuccessful and the suspect continued driving, entering onto Interstate 35 northbound. While entering onto the highway, the suspect vehicle swerved, hitting Sergeant Patton's vehicle. While driving north on Interstate 35, the suspect
Hey, Lieutenant, let me slide around you. I got a rifle. Hey, who's on front of the TVI train?
Get off the radio. Shots fired. He's shooting out of his window.
Everybody back off except for that front car. Let's give him a chance. Everyone's with you. You want me to call this? Yes, everyone call it.
Shots fired again. Shots fired. He's still shooting.
Officer Boxwell set up on the inside shoulder of southbound Interstate 35 around Southeast 25th Street and discharged his rifle at the suspect as he drove past him. The suspect continued driving. Shortly after, Sergeant Patton, who was the first patrol vehicle behind the suspect, discharged his rifle from inside his vehicle toward the suspect vehicle. The suspect swerved to the outside shoulder of the highway, but then continued north.
Yeah, we're just here going 940 northbound.
The suspect entered onto Interstate 40 going east. The suspect suddenly exited the highway at the Air Depot exit, driving toward the Tinker Air Force Gate. The suspect held a rifle out of the window as he pulled up to the gate with several occupied vehicles around. As the suspect came to a stop at the gate, he was still holding the rifle out of the window before dropping it to the ground and exiting the vehicle with his hands in the air.
Tell him to get! Tell him to get! Move everybody! Get everybody out!
Several officers converged on the suspect and placed him into custody.
Move everybody! Get everybody out!
Hey.
Stop! Bro, stop! Stop!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. I can't.
Get on your stomach.
Oh! Bro,
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
I'm dead.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm dead. Oh!